If you want to loop a video in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to repeat your clip over and over again until it reaches the exact length you want. This is perfect for short edits, background clips, aesthetic videos, gaming highlights, or any project where you need a seamless loop without starting from scratch. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you haven't started a project yet, create a new one and make sure you're working in the correct workspace. Once CapCut is open, you'll want to import the video you want to loop. You can usually do this by clicking the import option or by dragging the file straight into the media panel. After that, drag your video down onto the timeline. Now that your video is on the timeline, click on the clip so it's selected. This is important because the copy and paste shortcut will only work on the clip you've highlighted. Once it's selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. This creates a duplicate of your video clip in memory so you can paste it right after the original. Next, move the playhead all the way to the end of the clip. You can do this by dragging the playhead manually or by clicking near the end of the video on the timeline until it lines up exactly where the original clip finishes. Positioning the playhead correctly matters because that's where the next loop will begin. Once the playhead is at the end, press Ctrl and V to paste the copy clip. CapCut will place the duplicate directly after the original, giving you a continuous repeat. From here, you can keep doing the same thing again and again. Just select the clip, copy it, move the playhead to the end, and paste it. Each time you repeat this process, your loop gets longer. If you want a longer loop, simply continue copying and pasting until you reach the exact duration you need. This is a very simple method, but it works well when you want full control over the length of your final video. It's also useful if you want a clip to keep playing in a background sequence or if you're building a rhythmic edit where repetition helps the pacing. A good tip is to watch the transition between each pasted clip to make sure the loop looks natural. If your video has a clean beginning and end, this method will feel smooth and seamless. If needed, you can also trim the clip slightly before looping so the repeat point feels less noticeable. And that's it. You now know how to loop a video in CapCut PC by copying and pasting the clip along the timeline. It's fast, simple, and perfect for creating longer repeated sections without any complicated editing steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.